Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you I have my first ever Facetory face mask subscription unbagging, and also I won a giveaway from my friend Laney over at Zainey Laney. And you know what? This is the first ever giveaway I have ever won. I don't even remember what it is, so we're gonna find out together. It's gonna be super exciting. So I'm going to start off with the giveaway I won from Laney. So what I have won are these small, what we would kind of call sample size wax melt cups, which is perfect for me. These were all created by creators out there, people who put in what they wanted, what the theme was, and everything else, because I've watched everybody unboxing these, so I'm kind of familiar with what they are. Down below in that description box, I'm going to link the Facebook group community page for Zainey Laney Wax Melts, as well as her website, as well as her YouTube page, because you really need to check her out. Got some fabulous little melts going here. Since I am not a promoter of Zainey Laney Wax Melts, and not that it's because I don't want to be, it's just that I know kind of how I am with being able to have time frame to get things done and reviewed and burned. So I've just never wanted to, do that, be one of her PR reps, because I don't want to let her down. But I will, as a shout out, throw a PR rep's link down there so that you can save 10% off of your order. So you definitely need to check this out. So the wax melt is a subscription. I know you get it every month. I believe it varies between $15 and $20 depending upon the amount of clamshells that are available. And either plus or include shipping. I really can't remember all those details. Oh, Laney, I'm so sorry. Anyway, I will link all of that down below for you. That way you can look that up. But these were created from people who are PR reps and people who purchase the products. So the first one here is called The Last Petal. And I do know Christina Sanders made this one. And it has the smell of roses. Ooh, it really does. But you know what? It doesn't have like that fake floral rose scent. This smells more like a rose that you would pick out of your garden. This next one here is called Dude, Where's the Pie? And I believe that Cassie did this one, and this is from the show Supernatural. I've never been into that one. It smells like kind of like an apple pie scent. The next one is Darkness Must Pass. And also, by the way, on all of these, this little artwork that is done, this is done by Zainey's brother, Marshall. And he's an artist, and he does all the artwork on these. It's kind of hard to see on these tiny shells, but if you go to the website, you can see it. And it's just fabulous. And this one is Darkness Must Pass. I don't remember who did this, but I do know this is Lord of the Rings, because this is, I believe, Sam in with the spider. Ooh, I love this one. This is one of those scents I love. It's real clean smelling, like a rain or an ocean type of scent. The next one here is Kattegat, and I, for the life of me, can't remember. If I would have opened this beforehand, I would have looked all this up for you. But this one is called Kattegat, and I'm trying to look at the artwork to figure out what it is. I'm really quite not sure. So let's sniff it, see what it smells like. Kind of a clean, but a fruity, and I can't pinpoint the fruitiness. That one's really interesting. It's not bad. It smells really good. It's just really interesting. I really can't pinpoint it is. Once you burn it, sometimes it throws off a different scent. And the last one here is Horologist. And I believe that Lisa Garza did this one. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's from the last Pirates of the Caribbean movie. Fun fact, I haven't watched it yet. I don't know why. I just never got around to it. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, I like this one. This one has like a real kind of citrusy scent to it. Thank you so much, Laney. That is very sweet. I can't wait to play around with all of these and smell them. And again, I will link all of Laney's info down below. Forgive me for not having it all up front, but I was surprised opening this today that I had forgot what I won. So there you have it. So let's get into the Facetory. So I went on and I did the subscription. The one I got here, I believe it's $4.95 a month or $5.95 a month. You get 4 masks plus shipping. So I believe it comes up to around $7, $7.95. It's around $8 a month. and you get 4 masks. That's not bad. It's $2 a mask, and of course the masks are valued much more than that. Facetory is they ship out of California, but most of the masks are like Korean brands and Korean skincare, and we all know, Korean skincare is like coveted. That's some good skincare. So let's open her up and see what we got. Oh, the first one here, it says, it's your lucky day, scratch to see what you've won. So this is valid until April 30th. Oh, I don't have to scratch it. It says on the back. It says, yay, you've won 20% off of your next marketplace purchase. Use the code to redeem. So I'm guessing there's a code underneath here. They do have a marketplace so that if you try out some of the masks, you can go on there and purchase them. So I really like that part, because a lot of times, especially when you're dealing with like Korean skincare and Korean beauty, it's hard to locate it. You get a good sample of it, and then it's so hard to get your hands on it again. But this, you can go to their little shop. You can order all kinds of stuff. I will leave a link down below for that. And I believe it is a referral link, and I believe I earn points, and you can earn points each month by reviewing, kind of like how Ipsy did. And you can use those points to either get like a free bag 1 month, which is kind of nice that they allow for that, or to take percentages off or money off, or other free items. So we got 4 masks. Here's a card. Let's go through it. So the first one here is Cereal Pore. This is from Proud Mary Dermacosmetics. This is a cereal pore mask. It says, do you know what sounds even better than cereal? As a late night snack, a sheet mask. This cereal pore mask will tighten your pores and fill your skin with nourishment. Next up, this is from Equiporte. This is the dual balancing mask. This one says, keep your skin well balanced with this sheet mask that uses 2 main ingredients, lemon and kiwi, to leave your skin looking brighter and more balanced than ever. So, yay. Okay, quick side note here. This is fabulous. They've actually taken the time to pack the mask in the bag in the order it's on the card. I'm sorry. I appreciate that. Next mask up, this is from Beyond. This is the Herb Garden Tea Tree Mask. Ooh, I love things with tea tree in it. It says, full of tea tree herbs, this mask will soothe and calm your skin that has been exposed to the harmful environment. And also, I just now noticed that it's giving me the price on all of these masks as well. And this one is a $3 value. And our last mask, this one is from Skin Planet. This is the Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet with bamboo water. It says, gear up for springtime and feel extra fresh as you use this Daily Fresh Garden Mask. This mask will make sure to freshen up your skin with its use of bamboo water to purify and moisturize your skin. So that's really exciting. And then the value on this one is $3. Oh, and I got some extra stuff in here. And I'm guessing this is because I ordered, it was a promo for Valentine's Day when I ordered it. So they sent a couple extra ones here. This first one here, this is from MKIO2, and this is the firming mask. Now, this has a couple of different little parts to it. The first one here says Silky Clear Cleansing Foam. So I'm guessing this is a cleanser. Then after that, you have a Real Aqua Essence, and that is step 3. And then step 2 is the actual mask itself. So this is nice. So this is a 3-parter. This is like a really pamper yourself. And the last one here, this is the RNA whitening from MediHeal. So, and of course it's all in Korean here. Oh my gosh, everything's in Korean except for the ingredients at the bottom. But it doesn't say exactly, I can't tell you what it says it does. It says it's a creamy serum whitening mask. I know that's really a big thing in Korea, is whitening. Now, to be honest, you really can't brighten, whiten your skin unless you actually go to a dermatologist to get it done. So I'm pretty sure this is just a really good, probably like an alpha hydroxy peel of some kind. But I will definitely give it a try. I'm not worried about lightening up. I don't think I could possibly get much lighter than I am right now. So that's it. That is everything that came in my Facetory this month. That is the giveaway I won from Laney. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So I will definitely be putting these masks to the test. I'm going to try and get them all done this month. And when I bring you Facetory next month, I will try to review those for you to tell you how they went, what I think about them. Are they worth your doll hairs? Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. As always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any future videos that I have coming up, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.